Oh, oh,
Hi guys, my name is Sherdy.
and I'm Patrice.
And welcome to PS Aesthetic. We have another video for you, and it's our Get to Know Us video.
Yes.
It's been long overdue, so let's just jump into it.
Yeah, so why did we start a YouTube channel?
We both wanted to start it.
Yeah, we started for the same reasons, honestly.
Yeah.
I think, honestly, I wanted to start one back in 2011, and I just never had the money or equipment to do it. We were both in college.
Right.
So, yeah, so the funds. But
mainly.
Yeah, but we just want to bring something different to YouTube. I mean, I feel like YouTube is becoming a little lackluster. I mean, I still watch, obviously, but I just think we can add something new, as in
us. Us, basically. I don't know, like, I feel the same as Patrice. Like, I obviously started a YouTube. If you guys have been following me on my Instagram, we'll put our Instagram handles down below. But yeah, I started one, and for me, I just didn't have much of the time. And also working with Patrice.
Yeah.
Like, she helps me with time management and also little things that I wouldn't be able just to do by myself with my own schedule. And to do YouTube, like, I feel like I wanted to bring something off, obviously, like you said, different, and also representing for us.
Yeah, I just think, yeah, I mean, there are YouTubers out there that are great. I just think there needs to be more diversity. And I know, like, people are gonna say, well, there's like black YouTubers, there's Asian YouTubers. Yes, but they're not given the same platform as other YouTubers are given.
Right.
So we want to change that, and we want to, like, bring something different to our videos eventually. So stick around.
Right.
Yeah.
Watch our lookbook.
Yes. Yeah, like, just different elements of the same ideas, you know? So,
Right.
yeah. How tall are you?
I'm 5'3".
And I am 5'6" and 3/4.
Oh my gosh, I knew you was gonna say 6/4. 3/4. Oh my god. Jeez. She's 5'6".
I'm 5'6" and 3/4. I'm almost 5'7".
Alright.
Anyway. Where do you currently live? The North. That's all y'all need to know.
Right. Tri-state.
Yeah.
We out here.
Right. Are you in college, or have you gone to college? Yes.
We went to college.
We went to college.
Yeah.
And we finished. Graduated and everything.
Luckily.
There's circumstances out there that just make people not graduate.
Yeah.
So Lord be.
Right.
We finished.
We definitely did.
What is your favorite drink?
So, anything blue in it.
What?
I love blue raspberry, the flavor. So, like, it can be anything, like, blue in it. To be honest, I like the Calypso, like blue, blue lemonade.
Okay.
Yeah, but
That just sounds like anything.
oh, and
my favorite juice is drink. My favorite drink is cranberry juice. That's it.
that's very nice. I like cranberry juice too.
What's your favorite alcoholic drink?
This is very hard because, to be honest, I just really get a Jack and Coke or something like that.
Oh. Well, you like dark.
Yeah, I'm
I
a dark
remember that.
liquor girl.
Yeah.
So.
I like tequila.
You like Jose Cuervo and like Patron and
all the tequila. I love it.
no, I can't.
Love it.
Get me on a bad day, end up like a party bus experience I had.
So when you talk about the party bus.
Yeah, we're not. That's just the only thing I'm ever saying about it. Next.
Next. Tea or coffee?
Neither. I like tea. I don't like coffee.
Yeah, I don't drink coffee
But
at all.
I don't really drink either like that.
I like tea.
Yeah.
Okay, what are your life goals?
See, that's such a like complicated question that I'm just gonna give you guys a simple answer to be happy. Like, I just want the best for like all aspects of my life, and like, I mean, and you guys aren't gonna. You guys just have to wait and see. That's all I'm gonna say.
I agree with that.
Yeah.
I have like a lot of interest, and like they span in every single direction, from fashion, makeup to science. It's just all over the place. So I agree.
Yeah.
What is your idea of a dream date?
You can go first.
Okay, I like a night that has music in it and lights, like pretty lights. Like, I'm a sucker for scenery, like rooftop, lights, music, all that. That's what I like. So, anything involved with that.
Yeah, so I like well thought out dates. Like, I know you put some work in it, and it doesn't have to be like hecka expensive or anything. Like, I just, I guess like, I've never been on like a scavenger hunt.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to like do that.
That's a
like,
good one.
Yeah. Yeah, like I want to do something during our dates. So, yeah.
I like that one.
Yeah.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
You know.
2. Just 2.
Yeah, I definitely have a lot of That's why I had to think about it. I have 5. I'm the 6th sibling. Yes, I have 5 siblings.
Now, speaking of siblings, what's your background?
Liberian gang.
Yeah, I'm Liberian as well.
Right.
Well, Liberian American.
Right. Yeah, Liberian American.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Do you have any bad habits? Yeah.
But I need something to go off of.
Okay. So a bad habit I have, 2 actually: procrastination and being late.
I mean, but I've like gotten better.
No, yeah, I've gotten better at being late part. Procrastination I still do.
Yeah.
Like, I'm really weird. Like, sometimes even with schoolwork, like I'll procrastinate just so like I can do it last minute, because that's when I feel like I get the most ideas.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, part of it for me, I just feel like I'm a night person. I do a lot of my best work. Yeah, I do a lot of my best work and best thinking at night. So if you ever see me up at night, that's probably what I'm doing. Work. So don't hit me up.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding with that.
She's always up late.
Yes. So yeah, I mean,
I am too, but like you're up
late. Yeah, I know. I need to get my sleep schedule like that.
Describe your first crush.
Wait, we're talking about like in real life crush, or like we're talking about like we saw him like on TV or something like that?
No, in real life. So like I remember mine like was kindergarten. He was like this light-skinned black kid. What was his name? It started with a D. But everybody used to like him. Oh my gosh. And like we used to like run around on the playground after him. It was so cute. Yeah, that was my first crush.
I don't think I ever like really did anything with my crushes. I was too shy. But mine isn't from like elementary school. Mine is definitely from like high school. But yeah, he was just like tall, like handsome, and not from and I was just, yeah, he was just really cute. Had a nice smile and everything.
I mean, I didn't act on my crushes either until like, well, that was kindergarten, so
yeah.
I was bold.
I know.
But after that, like, I really, oh no, in elementary school I did. I was bold then. Once I got to know some stuff, I really didn't.
Yeah, like I was shy up until like mid-high school, and then started flourishing more. So.
Yeah, college is when
College, I got some balls in college and still got turned down. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Took a left turn.
Yes, definitely went to the left to the left. Next question.